Hi guys, Ides here. Are you looking to buy a home here in the Philippines and confused with the terms like single attached, single detached, townhouse, row house, or even the type of finishes like a finished unit, bare unit, semi-bare, and furnished unit? Don't worry, today I'll got you covered and let's break it down. Let's start with the different type of houses commonly available here in the Philippines. So these are the houses that you usually hear from the broker or selling agent. So number one is a row house. So row house is small, single-story unit that usually shares walls with the adjacent unit. Often the most affordable type of housing are usually found in socialized and economic housing projects. Number two type of houses is the townhouse. A townhouse is similar to a row house, but it usually has 2 to 3 floors. Like row houses, this shares walls to the unit beside it. But townhouse commonly offers more space than a row house. These are common house types found in suburban developments. These are ideal for families who needs more room but want to stay within the budget. And the next type is single attached. A single attached house is a house where 3 sides of the houses has a space wherein you can use it for your expansion or gardening. So it's either back, front, and one of the sides. And the other side of it is attached to a firewall or attached to a boundary, or you even shared it with your neighbor. It provides more privacy than a townhouse. And now let's come to the fourth one, which is a single detached type of house. Single detached is a completely standalone unit type. That means the 4 sides, front, back, and the 2 sides has space wherein you can use it for your future expansion or gardening later on. So it provides maximum privacy compared to the single attached. It is perfect for those who are looking for a traditional home with a room for future gardening or expansion. Now we're done with the types of houses, and let's move on to that type of finishes that these houses may be delivered to you. So number one is the bare unit. A bare unit type of house or type of finish is it usually just deliver you the very basic structures: cement flooring, no ceiling, no paint, no partition. So just basically give you an outside structure ready for painting on your own. This bare unit is commonly or usually delivered with a row house unit. So those row houses are very cheap. It has the cheapest upfront, but you need to invest in the interior later on. But the advantage of getting this kind of unit is that you can finish or furnish it, improve it whenever you have the money, whenever you have the budget, and at your own time. And now let's move on to the second type of delivery, which is the semi-bare unit. So semi-bare unit is somewhat like almost a finished unit. So other projects offers you painted wall already. It is already ceiling, but it doesn't come with a tiled floor and or a partition. So you still have to invest, but not that much compared to fully bare unit. The next type is the finished unit. Finished unit are those projects that are really ready to move in. So that means it is already tiled, painted, the partitions are there, the CR is complete, is now ready to use. This is ideal for buyers who want convenience and less renovation works. The last type is the furnished unit. The furnished unit are those units that already includes furnitures like the beds, the sofa, table in the dining room. If the developer offers this kind of unit, it is just like a plug and play home. So you will just bring your clothes. And this is perfect for OFW and investors who want minimal setup. So to sum it up, choose your house type based on your budget and based on your needs. And when it comes to finishes, decide when you want to do it yourself, or you want it to be customized, or you want to move in hassle-free. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more real estate tips here in the Philippines. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!